Good morning. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. What's up, CG crew? This is Tamala. Hope everyone is having a good day, evening, night, whatever time you're watching this video. It is Monday morning. This is the day after our staycation weekend. The kids are in school and I'm about to head to the store. I have on my grocery store attire. I love wearing my little, because it's kind of cool this morning. So I say my grocery store attire because usually when I go to the grocery store, I put on my little pink sweater and my sweatpants, whether it's gray or blue. So yeah, I'm about to head to Kroger and Publix, and you guys are gonna come with me. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, so you know it is what it is. All right, so let's head to the store. They already have buggies cleaned, but I still like to clean them myself. All right, let's shop. Got my list. Oh no, that's the Kroger side. This is my list for Publix. Where we're gonna go first? Guess we'll go get the Dash. And I noticed that now Mrs. Dash is just Dash. Not Mrs. Dash, but just Dash now. So there's buy one, get one free. Let's see if they have any. Okay. Whew. We're gonna get, of course, the garlic and herb. What else? Gotta get original. I just want table blend. Which one do you guys get? I always do the garlic and herb, and most of the time I do original and table blend. So I think I'm gonna do the chicken. Have I did the chicken before? I think I have. So I'm gonna get this one. Whew. Alrighty, got that. And do I need anything else? Over here, we got the Dash seasoning. And while we're on this aisle, we're gonna go ahead and get the croutons. They have the Olive Garden croutons, buy one, get one free. So we're gonna do that. Like that. Okay. What else can we get on this aisle? So I want to get some salad dressing. I don't necessarily need it. Oh, look, you guys. These are new P.F. Chang's dressings. Creamy sesame dressing, dynamite ranch, and the signature vinaigrette. Okay, gotta try those one day. Alrighty. When we have like a Asian night, and I do the fried rice and the orange chicken, or you know, we'll get that. Let's see. Let me go to the rice, and then because they have the Zatarans buy one get one free, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna get the jambalaya and we'll do the red beans and rice. Yeah. Let me see what else they have here. Yeah, I'm gonna just do these two. Ooh, I wish my husband was here to bend down for me. Oh, okay. What else we need? And let's go get the juice while we're on this end. Thank you, excuse me. Go get the juicy juice. Okay. I think they probably have some on the outside aisles, but in case they don't let me, this is the reason why I like when my husband comes to the store with me sometimes. You hear what I say sometimes, because he can get this stuff way up here for me. Oh, all right. I'll get 2 grapes. They may have some on the outside aisle, so I'll go ahead and check. Whew. That was a task. They don't have the packs, but they have these on the outside aisle. See, I know my Publix, but I'm gonna just get those 2 grape juices. And I was here the other day, I bought the Duke's mayo, so I don't have to pick those up right about now. Got the juicy juice, got the rice. Let me go to the laundry aisle. They have the all. They say buy one get one free. Did I pass it? Yeah, I did. I don't know if I'm gonna get it because they only have the free and clear. And I want the one with the oxy. I want this one, but they don't have it in the other size. Let's buy one get one free. Let me see. Let's see. If not, then I'm not gonna get it. Well, I can get it because I still have some Downy Unstoppables. Yeah, don't have the free and clear. I don't know. I'll think about it and I'll come back across. While I'm here, let me go around because that gentleman is there putting the drinks up. Let me go. You know, I think the Pepsi is on that end. Let me try it. Let me see. Oh, God. Is the Pepsi on this end? Oh, it's the Coke on this end, and then it's the Pepsi on the other end. Please let me buy. Excuse me. See, I know my stuff. Pepsi is down here. They have them buy one get one free, so I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm trying to stay away from sodas, but I'm just buying it, you know. Just buy one get one free. Why not, you know? My husband, he drinks Pepsi. He likes Pepsi, but he prefers Coke. But he'll do Pepsi if that's what I purchase. So yeah, that's what I'll do. And so we have, oh, and my ahas. Almost forgot. Are they gonna be, I'm trying to see. I think they'll be on the, will they be here or the water aisle? I can't remember. Maybe on the water aisle. Or are they here? Let me know if I'm missing them. Let me know if I'm missing them. Let me go to the water aisle. Yeah, I think they'll be here. Maybe over there. But other than that, oh, and the Pillsbury cookies. Let me. Y'all, I'm hot. I need to get back. Can I fit? Good morning. And I did just buy some sparkling water from Pop Shelf, but since they're BOGO, let me go ahead and try some flavors that I haven't tried before. I like the blueberry pomegranate, so I'm not gonna get that one. I'm gonna go ahead and get the orange grapefruit. And look like they didn't went through it. I don't want to get no peach and honey, so I think I'm gonna just go ahead and go with Old Faithful, which is the blueberry pomegranate. Yeah. Then let me go back. Get the cookies. Comment down below, do you guys take advantage of the Publix BOGO sales? I know I do. So we're gonna get the cookies. I'm gonna get chocolate chip, of course, and we'll get the sugar. Everything that's on the list except the all. So we did good. Let me go back by and see what I want to go ahead and do, because I can't just get it. You know. Oh, I am so hungry. And buy the you know, Unstoppables or the Sensations. So let me see what I want to do. I think that's what I'll do. Let me move my buggy over. just get the because I plan on going to Kroger after this, but I don't know. I'm gonna just get this one and then go get the all, the buy one get one free all. Yeah, I can. Alrighty, mommies, I'm coming by. Yeah, so instead of me bending down, let me go get it. The one outside here on the aisle. Oh. Ooh, I am hungry. Oh. Yeah, I mean, nice so long. Right here. So I have my everything that's on my Publix list. Got my all, my juicy juice. Buy one get one free. So everything in my buggy is buy one get one free, except for the Arm & Hammer odor blasters, like the flavor crystals. So. Okay, we did good. Cashback? No.
You want these in bags?
Yes, please. If you can double them, I appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Alrighty, so we are leaving out of Publix. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. We will appreciate it. Because I know you're gonna like it. Yeah.